Alright. You want to do my intro?
Lego!
You want to do my intro?
Yeah. Make sure to subscribe.
No.
Like and subscribe.
No, we're doing the intro. You're supposed to go, hi. Welcome back to Heather's Happy Stitches. I'm Heather, and today we're doing Don't Get Burnt Out Tuesday, because today is Tuesday. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, what's going up on Tuesday?
Oh, I get it.
Just don't touch that. It's super duper hot.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, don't touch it.
It's the iron.
Well, a certain kind of iron.
It's a steam iron. You want to see?
It's already been a minute. It might be 2 minutes. Let me see.
No, I said don't touch.
It's a little hot. Right here.
There it goes.
Ooh, what the heck? Ooh, why is this squirting out? Ooh.
It's a steam iron. Okay. Are you going to do my intro for me, bud?
What is it? It's already been 2 minutes.
So I'll edit it out.
What was the intro?
Anisha, can Cameron do my intro?
Yeah. No, I'm doing
It's
the intro.
just his hands, not his face, I promise. Okay. Okay, so just go, hello everyone.
Hello, everyone.
And welcome back to Heather's Happy Stitches.
I'm doing the intro.
Oh, I'm sorry. Go ahead, start over.
You gotta say the stuff with me.
Okay. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Heather's Happy Stitches. We're Heather and Jaden and Cameron.
And
Today,
today is Not Get Burnt Tuesday.
good job.
Is it Tuesday?
Not yet. Now you can say something. Just your hands, not your face.
So we're gonna show you how to not get burnt today.
No, we're going to show you how to iron a canvas that has already been done.
So you just have to finish it.
No, it's all. No, I said don't touch the iron. Let go of the iron.
Judy.
Nope, we're going
So-
to iron the canvas. This is already a finished one. It sucks. I don't like it, so I don't mind ruining it in case the gems melt while ironing it flat. Because, let go of it, Cameron. See? It folds immediately back up. So does this one. This one is the dreaded and awful
That looks nice.
Nightmare Before Elm Street one. So this one, again, I don't have any emotional attachment to, so it will be all right with me if it melts. So, let go of it, Cameron. Oh, well, it's not rolling up, but before it was. So, but we're gonna try and iron these ones flat to see. And I got this nifty little itty bitty steam iron for Christmas. So I'm going to be using that on a tabletop iron or ironing board that is protected with a towel. And I have a rag to put between the iron and the canvas.
So first we're gonna do this one.
We'll start with this one. See, all of the gems are falling off of it.
Yeah.
Oh,
Just
careful,
melts
careful!
it.
Don't push the table. Okay.
I'm gonna do the steam rolling with you. I'll be extra careful with this.
Okay, so let's get all of these extra gems off.
My mom was gonna do one of these. She was gonna do like this flower one.
Hey, don't touch.
I'm gonna do it very careful.
They're just falling off. Look at just the ones that fell off just now. Alright, so there's 4 just fell off in my hand. Well, 5, 6. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn the canvas over. Oh, careful, stop moving the table. Okay. Wait. Let Jaden, let Cameron go first, okay? So the main point of this video is to see if you can iron it's okay, he does it all the time. If it's okay to iron a diamond painting after the diamonds are already on it. Jaden, watch out. You're close to the iron. Come on. Alright. So, do you know how to use an iron, Cameron?
Kinda.
Kinda? Okay. So what you do, here, let me show you. Okay, so
Wait.
Jaden, sit on this leg. The other leg. There you go. Okay. So, the first thing you're going to do is, wherever you're at, I'm on the wrong side because you're supposed to have the... Okay, so just push the steam button, and then... Don't keep it in one spot for very long. Okay? Alright, so I'm going to put it down here. Do not touch the iron. This is the iron part of it. Don't touch it. Okay? So pick it up by the handle. No, not you. Let Cameron try. Pick it up by the handle.
And then I'll try.
Put it down on the thing. Push. Don't leave. Just don't. You can't just leave it in one spot for very long, okay?
Or it'll burn.
Yeah. So grab the handle here. Grab the handle. Push the iron button, and then as soon as it hits, move it. Move it. Go. Move it.
Then it's my turn to try.
Over here. Alright. No, let go. I told you not to leave it setting in one spot. Okay. So this isn't quite warm yet, but we're going to check to see if... it's...
It's a little warm right here.
Yeah. That's where you left it. Because it's not on a very high temperature right now. It's only like 176 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about, I don't know, like 80 degrees Celsius, I think is what it says. But I could be... Stop moving the table. But I could be completely wrong. So let's see. Well, it's still got the seams in it. You see, these are what we're trying to iron out. So when we flip it over this way, well, it's starting to flat out. See, we got to do this edge, and we got to do this edge.
So you don't want to do this?
No, we got to do the whole thing, but we still got to flatten this out. So when we flip it back over, it'll just stay flat.
Right.
You see what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, so I am sitting right here with them, so they are in no danger of getting burned unless they like completely and utterly don't listen, which Jaden is very likely to do. Okay, buddy, you ready? Okay, so grab the iron. Yeah. Now push it down. Yeah. Just keep it on the towel. Good job, my chin. You're doing real good. Okay. Now put it down. Very good.
I did that quicker than.
Yeah, you did. No.
What happens if I get some steam in here?
No, you're gonna melt the cup.
What is this for?
That's to put water in the iron.
Where do you put the water in the iron?
Where do you put the water in the iron?
Right there.
You put it in the front.
What? Let me see.
Jaden,
Let me see.
I will show you in a minute. Chill.
Cameron did that a little bit faster than you did. It's like in 50 seconds. I heard the car, man.
I don't have any cash.
I know that you say that the 50 million times.
Well, it's true. Okay, that's not working. Let's try without the towel between the iron and the canvas. Okay?
I really wish that. I will not like it if it melts. I'm gonna carefully check if it answers the rules.
Jaden, stop.
I think we need a hotter steam thing.
Well, I think I just put a bunch of water on there.
Just put a bunch of water on a towel?
No, on the... Alright, let's see how flat that is. Good and flat. The gems are a little warm. But I mean, you can definitely do it without hurting the canvas and without hurting the gems.
Okay, we're all done with that one. Now I have to get that one.
Okay, let's do this one fully without the towel, without the rag on the top.
That one's bigger than the other one. So, yeah, so we have to do it more.
Okay.
A rag.
Ready? So, now this one is a full drill, as where the other one was a partial. So, the drills might be affected differently on this one. Stop that. As opposed to the partial, because this one is a full drill and not a partial.
It's just right there. What is that?
What is what?
I mean,
What is what?
that. Do you see that yellow stuff right there? That's following that thing around.
Woo! Iron fell over. Alright, let's flip it over. It's definitely warm. Ready? 1, 2, 3, flip. Woo!
stuck to it.
It's stuck to the towel.
It ironed the towel. It ironed the towel to that.
Yep. The gems are definitely warm. They're not melty. They didn't get hot enough to melt or anything. Jaden, be careful of the iron.
I'm sorry. It's gonna spill out. It's gonna spill out.
Don't worry about it. So you can definitely iron them after they have been painted or after they're finished. So if you want to just roll them up back into the tube or whatever, like if you don't have anywhere to put them, they will easily, you can easily iron them out. Did you just pick up all those gems?
No.
Yes. So I guess, but it does, I guess, mess with the tacky because Jaden's picking them up on his hand as he's rubbing them like candy.
They're definitely getting warmer and warmer and warmer.
Yeah, see? I just did that and picked up all of those. You see? There. So I'm guessing it does affect the tackiness, but if you're planning on sealing it, I guess just don't run your hands all over it, because that's what's making them all pop off right now, is Jaden just running his hand over it.
Could you just like put the iron on the front of this?
Potentially. You want to see what... Oh, I don't want to ruin my new iron.
I get
So I would, but I don't want to ruin my new iron. But yeah, if you're planning on sealing it, I would say, I mean, I can seal these because I want to try a couple different glues and things on these canvases to seal, so that way I can know, and once I seal them, I can try and iron them again. But I mean, once you seal them, why would you roll them back up? Right? So, but I guess it does affect the tackiness. Just don't rub your hand across it. Yeah. But I don't know what caused the gems. Jaden, please stop. I don't know what caused the gems to start popping off like that. If it was just the way I had it rolled to do this experiment, or if it was the actual tacky losing its tackiness, or if it was just the fact that this canvas wasn't very good to start with. And when Jaden was rubbing his hands over it, all of the popped drills. So I would say just don't rub your hands over it after you've ironed it when you're finished, because I don't know what the difference between ironing it beforehand or ironing it after would affect the tacky. I was thinking more that it would affect the diamonds, not the tackiness. So, but there is that. So, but thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And remember, you are beautiful. You are amazing.